Relics and coins. Today I'm at an old derelict house. It's pretty well and truly in its glory days. I'll try and show you. I got permission the other day when I mowed the lawn, and it's been here for a fair while. She couldn't tell me much about it, but she said I can have a bit of a scratch over the yard and see what I come up with. So I'll catch you on my first guys, just under this bottle brush tree here. Got a bit of a high tone target. 22, 23, 24, about 6 inches or so down. Just there. 23, 24. Alright, let's have a look. Hopefully I've got that camera adjusted right. Out there. Geez, it's warm today. It's good. Okay, just about there. Okay, our first little coin for the day will be $1 piece. You little ripper. Okay, I've got another one just here. That's where I got the little $1 piece from over there. 27, 28, 26, 27, 28, 29. Very nice. 6 inches down. Okay, let's have a look. Righto. And just there. Okay, so the result of that one will be $2 piece. Alright, you got to dig these little ones. Okay, right, as you do, you try and save your battery power. I've only just not long started. I should have changed my battery first. And I thought, oh no, I won't do any more live digs or anything. But and then I come across this little fella. Just there. It's a little half penny. Geez, he's a bit dirty. I couldn't even tell you if it's a kangaroo or a what's the name here? Commonwealth. I'll clean it up when I get home. And I'll give you a date on it then. Alright, we'll just double check the hole. Hello, what have we got there? Little 1-cent piece. Okay, so it's telling me there's more in here. Whew. And that's another little 1-cent piece. Okay. We'll double check it with the Equinox and see what happens. Bit jumpy, jittery. Don't think so. Alright, we'll fill that in and I'll move on to the next one. 27. That's where I was just there with all the 1-cent piece and a half penny. And then I swung around, I come to here. 27, 28. About 6 inches down. Nice high tone. Sounds good. 26, 28. Out there. Alright, let's have a look. Alrighty. Pull that back. Alright. Let's have a look. Just there. Okay. Oh yes, beautiful. Beautiful. Here we go. Just over here. Just there. Got another little half penny. Geez, they're caked up with bloody mud and what. You can't see what's on them. King George. I think it's King George. Yeah. So, I think we might be looking at a rue penny. Yeah, little half rue penny. Can't quite get the date off it. 1943. Alright, we'll clean that when we get home. Alright, just double check that. Before I go any further. Okay, nothing else in there. Alright, we'll fill that in. One just here, a little bit scratchy. High tone. 26 up into the 30s, but it's all the way down. Just there. Alright, let's have a look. Because I'm right on the walkway going into the house. So yeah, I'll check both sides of that just in case. Try not to make too much of a mess, but sometimes the grass don't want to let go. Alrighty. Not in the plug. Towards the back of the hole just here. Just there. Alright, turn around. Righto, still there at the back. Okay, so I've moved it. Alright, let's see what we've got. Throw that down there. And you've still got a big little 1 cent piece. Alrighty. Let's keep on going. She's warming up. Wow, it's good. Okay, we've got another one just here. High tone, repeatable, 24, 23. Sometimes it jumps up to 29. Nice tone. Right there, about 6 inches or so down. Okay, let's have a look. At least the lawn's nice, easy to dig. Okay, let's see what we have got here. To the side of the hole there. All right. And I think that's it there. Another little 1 cent piece. Okay, we'll just double check that with the detector. And we'll move on to the next. Alright, let's have a look. I'm in all metal mode just in case there might be rings or something. You never know. Yeah, nothing else there. No. Oh, the one beside it. Bit of an iffy. Okay, it's probably its friend, 1 cent piece. Alright, we'll have a look. Alright, let's have a look. Okay. I think I might double check that with the detector again. Might have been telling me porcupines. towards that side of the hole, maybe over that way. Alrighty, what's that? Ah, bit of glass. No, my luck, it's a bottle top. Must be a fair way down. Alright, okay. I'll put you guys on pause and I'll come back to you soon. I probed at it and went over it again, and now that high tone's gone. Can't see it. Any angle. Must have been a bit of rusty metal or something, maybe. But I've got nothing out of that. Alright, we'll fill that in and move on to the next. I'm thinking I may have another half penny just in there, and I'm wrong. Oh my goodness, look at that. I thought it was a bloody half penny or something like that, and it's the same size circle, but it's an old washer, copper washer or something. Right, okie dokie. Oh, alright. I've been searching in this hole here for about 2 or 3 minutes now, and I couldn't find a damn thing, and it was tucked to the side. Well, I found a couple of 1-cent pieces in there, and then I've come across and found that part of a cap gun. Took me a while to get it. What have we got? Something night. Star night or something written on the side of that. It's not all there, but yeah, that's another one for the collection. Yeah, alright, pretty cool. Got a star on the side of it there. Okay, alright guys, it's been a while. Catch you on the next one. Found anything decent. Finding a lot of 1-cent pieces. Yeah, and then I come across this one here. Pulled out a bit of wire from there, and then I've gone to Park 1. And it's up in the 30s, 39, 40. It's not that far down, but it's, I'm going to say it's a can or something to be that high. It's just there, but it's in the 30s. So I'm going to say it's a can, but we'll have a look. You just never know. Alright. And there's a big chunk of square aluminium or something like that. Geez, that gave a thumping signal up in the 30s. Okay, guys, well, we'll move on to the next. I'm going to be looking for some water soon, I think. Wow. I've got a 22, 23, about a couple of inches down, just here. We'll have a look, see what we've got in here. Ooh, there goes the plug. Exploded on me. Alright. Okay, now. Right, now I should be able to fold that back. Right. Let's have a look. And there it is there. And it will be a bottle top. Some cordial written on it. Something cordial. Alright, we'll fix this hole up. Into the backyard and we shall move along. Yes, it's a big place. So I'll probably have to come back again and go over it a little bit more, but I might use a 6-inch coil next time. Because there's a lot of junk. Just about there. 25, 26, about 4 inches down. Yeah, so I think I might try the 6-inch next time I come back. Some of this grass doesn't want to let go easy. Right, come over. Righto. Whew. Okay, it's in the plug. Oh, what's that? What's that? Ah, damn bloody bottle top. Jeez. Hey, alright. In the bag she goes. Fix this bugger up. Hey, I've got a nice high tone just here. 24, 23. 26, 27. Changes a little bit. Okay, let's have a look. The old clothesline is still standing down there, so I might have to have a swing around that too. Don't have to go too far, do I? Another bottle top. Alright. Being the old place, like I say it is, it's a fair age. And I thought there'd be heaps of old coins and stuff laying around. But how wrong was I? But you never know. Alright. Guys, it's been a little while since I've had a decent target. I'm underneath the old clothesline right now. And I found nothing but bottle tops. And then I came across this one here, thinking it was round. I was thinking I had a penny or something like that, but no. Not quite sure what that is, but I think it could be part of a little old toy car or something like that. Maybe. It has got something written on it there. I think it might have been a little old car or part of. Can't quite see the writing there, but I know there's something written there, but I'll have to check that out when I get home. Well, it gave a good signal. But anyway, we'll move on to the next. Oh my goodness. See you soon, guys. You've got to hate that when you put the shovel through something and then you find out what it was and you're kicking yourself in the bloody arse. Bloody hell. It was another little bloody cap gun. Bloody hell. Oh dear. Yeah, it was another little bloody cap gun. God damn. Kick myself now. Oh. that'll be there like that. I don't know. I'll have to check that with a detector. But yeah, you've got to kick yourself sometimes when you break things like that. Can't be helped, I suppose. Chuck that in there. I'll just check that again. Yeah, I put the shovel in and I heard it go crunch. No, that's it. Wow. Oh, well, that's two parts of cap guns I found today then. Oh well. No, there's no more in there. Wow, she's warming up. Must be at least 29, 30 or something now. Got a little beeper target there. About 4 inches down. I just want to let go. Alright, now it'll let go. Let's have a look. Okay, piece of fibro. Okay, so it's just there. Rusty bit of nail. Along that patch there, I think that's where his sheds used to be, so that's probably why I'm going to pick up a bit of junk just here. I just came over where I thought sheds would be, and there's a little surface find. 23, and it's just sitting there, and there'll be another 1 cent piece. Alright, I'll just chuck that away in there. And I'll have a go over this just in case there's any more. Take the all metal mode off because I don't want to hear all the grunting. For the old place, I thought there'd be a lot more on here, you know, like for old pre-decimals. I thought there'd be more, considering. But I've only found, I think it was 2 half pennies. I think that's all I've found. Nothing of a great result. Heaps of 1 and 2 cent pieces. A bit of grunting. Okay guys, this might be my last target for the afternoon. $29.30. Just there, about 2 inches down. Alright, we'll have a look at this one. Righto, let's see. Oh, God, some of that grass is hard to get over. So that was $29.30. Okay, what have we got? Something rusty. Yeah. Yeah, something rusty, not too sure. Says there's more there, but I'd say it's probably the same stuff. Well, there's a nail. Alright, what else have we got in there? Something a bit hard there, not sure. Some more nails. Alright, fill this in and we'll move on to the car, and if I don't see you before that, we'll guys, put this video up a little later on. That will do me for today. That's not bad going, I suppose. A couple of half pennies and 2 half broken cap guns, but alright, looks like we're in for another storm. Alright, well, I'll put this video up a little later, and I'll come back here again for sure, but I'm going to try and use the 6-inch coil instead of the 11-inch. As I said, I've been digging a lot of junk and heaps of 1 cent pieces though. But anyway, I'll leave it at that, and I'll see you later on. Cheers. Hi there guys, welcome back to Ron's Relics and Coins. I finally got a chance to get everything back together from the other day, and what I found so far at that new permission. Hi guys, second attempt. Sorry, duty calls. Okay, now I'm back. This is some of my junk. I'll talk real quick just in case I have to go again. That there, I think that's off a heel, a shoe or something like that. It's the shape as a horseshoe, but it's not a horseshoe. That there looks like a horseshoe, but it's only light. Now it's just starting to rain. Okay, let's talk quick. Cluster of 2 cent pieces, 1 cent pieces. A little cap gun, which I broke. It's a Raider cap gun. and it's got a little cowboy there on the handle. Pity it wasn't all there. I kicked myself when I broke it with a shovel. And this one here is a it says Star Knight and Lone Rider, and I think I got a few pictures there I'll put up. I'm pretty sure they're from the 1950s, thereabouts. And I've got a kangaroo halfpenny, King George the 6th, and that's 1943. And this one here, all I can make out is it's King George the 5th, but it's too far gone. I can't get nothing off that there. So yeah, I'll go back to that place that I was before, the new permission, and I'll go over it with a 6-inch coil this time, just in case it's, you know, there's a lot of junk. There's old, you know, old cans and old fuel can lids and stuff like that. But I did find that on the ground there. Looks like a little bottle stopper, little glass bottle stopper or something like that. But yeah, all right guys, it's always fun to go detecting. It takes your mind off a lot of stuff, but always remember, play safe, always fill in your holes, and please like and subscribe if you wish. And until next time, I'll see you then. Thanks for watching.